Hi and welcome. And today we have two different Restless retirees. It's me, I guess I'm not different. And this is my sister, Veronica. We are out on some adventures today. Derek is back at the house doing stuff, and we're heading for the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, which is going to be really fun. Now, I can take video in there from what I understand. What I can't do is take in my my stick, my tripod. So we will do what we can here to get some good video in there and have a good time. So let's go. We have been here once before, but not with the sister. So it's gonna be fun. Let's go in. Alrighty. Veronica was able to get the tickets online, so we should be able to just go on in. So very cool. Okay, so one of the things that we couldn't figure out before is actually how we get in. She's got a QR code on her phone, so maybe we just scan it as we go in. I don't know. We'll find out, and I'll tell you. So the answer is just just before we go into the gallery, there is a young lady that will scan and give us a wristband. So that's how we do. Let's go in. Right, so we're at the Elvis exhibit. Let's take a look here. Whoa. Elvis. Wow.
It's so lighthearted, but it's so deep and meaningful at the same time.
Over here to his guitar.
It's such a magical thing to see. He looks really supernatural, causing a goosebumps.
What we have here is Jerry Lee Lewis's piano. What happened to it? Did it get burned? Or just wore it out?
He said it was piano and wasn't gasoline performing.
Take it out for a daily experience.
Wore the ivory off his keys.
Wow, that's crazy. Oh, yeah, he did.
So this pink, that belonged to Mama Cass, one of my absolute favorites. I loved her. And that black dress belonged to Stevie Nicks, Fleetwood Mac. Pretty cool. We're heading kind of down a real major memory lane going on here. Very cool. And here we are in the Beatles exhibit. Wow. This is the piano that Paul McCartney used to write Eleanor Rigby and Got to Get You Into My Life on. Very cool. The Rolling Stones Mellotron. I've never heard of a Mellotron, but I guess that's a Mellotron. Very cool. Okay, so now we are in the Hall of Fame inductees hall. Those are the spinners. That's very awesome. And Willie Nelson and family. Very cool. Tina Turner's dress. Yeah, she was a force. And then there's whatever this guy is. It says The Wall. In the old days, The Dark Side of the Moon, Pink Floyd played to audiences which, by virtue of their size, allowed an intimacy of connection that was magical. Apparently, that's what that is. So there you go. This is about Bon Jovi. Ooh, on level 6. Maybe we'll get up there. Stevie Nicks outfit. And Tina Turner. Both of them. Then there's a couple of Michael Jackson jackets. Right there. Michael Jackson glasses and jacket. The Legends of Rock Floor, and that is Bon Jovi playing in the background because Bon Jovi has an exhibit up here. Okay, Taylor Swift.
That's the, I think that's the Reputation throne, isn't it? That's when she had that movie, I think, or video that she did. Oh, a whole exhibit of Taylor. I have granddaughters. Love Taylor. I kind of like her too. She's pretty cute, you know. Piano, video prop. And I'm looking out the window on one of the transition floors. This is what we see. That is the William Mather, and it's a ship I think you can actually visit. We have not done that yet. But you're looking at all onto Lake Erie. This is very cool. This is the 6th floor, and it's all Bon Jovi. Whoa. Crazy stuff. Wow. Lionel Richie's jacket. How cool is that? I kind of like him. Who's this? And this is another Michael Jackson jacket right here. Pretty cool. And here is Mamas and the Papas. How cool is that? Well, at least for some of us it is, right? I had that album right there. Yep. Very cool. Here's another one of my favorites, Carole King, and I had that album too. I also had Tapestry and It's Too Late. Yep, it's very cool. So we got lunch here, and this is the Italian turkey puff. It's just one, and we were splitting it because there's a ton. And then there's 2 cookies in the cookies bag, and then we each got chips and some drinks, and now we're gonna eat. Yay. Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, Cleveland, Ohio. It's an experience for sure. All right, well, we are ending our day at Outback's, and we've got blooming onion, and we've got steaks coming, and our time with Veronica is coming to a close, but we've been so happy to have her with us. And so we had a really good time at the Rock and Roll. We did. Hall of Fame. We did. Would we do it again?
Probably, I think
Probably
so.
would do it again. Yeah, it was pretty cool. So, all right, well, that's going to do it for this episode. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Oh. I was eating food. You
Let's
know,
have
interrupt
the
my
blooming
food.
onion. No.
Hit that subscribe button.
If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Ring the bell to get notified.
And until next time, Restless friends, you take care.
Bye.